Tenggol Island again. It's so close to Kuala Lumpur and so easy to get to. This time I wanted to use my new flashlight Orca Torch Flex Dive, so I didn't bring the Seafrog house with the Sony a6700, but instead the new DJI Action Camera 6. So one of the dive sites for this trip was Tukon Timor. That is my favorite dive site here in Tenggol Island. So the first dive, and actually you can see the current here is quite nice, so I didn't have to swim that much. So I also tried out the new underwater media application to create the overlay for the Garmin dive computer, and actually it looks quite nice as an overlay. Here we have Dendosan in full action. He took some really amazing photos during this dive trip. All the videos for this trip was taken with the DJI Action Camera 6 and using their official camera house. I would say that the videos are okay, but one limitation is, or maybe it's just me that don't understand, is that when using flashlight, the image sensor gets it wrong. My guess is that the camera is post-processing the video and add too much red. Maybe I should blame myself since I shouldn't use too powerful dive lights. If I can see a clownfish during one of these dive trips, I am so happy. Nothing more is needed. Maybe a whale shark, but yeah, I just love Nemo. For the videos that I didn't use the flashlight in, I did the post-processing to improve colors, also using the application Underwater Media. Stabilization is done in Final Cut Pro after post-processing color correction.
Sam, happy? Good.
Never shown video from surface before. It's so much easier with a small camera versus the big house. This dive also had a moderate current, which most dives did during the weekend. Quite nice, you don't need to swim that much. So the closer to the surface, more colors and more small fish. It's so beautiful. This shot was so easy with action camera. No need to change all settings to get a good picture. But overall, the picture quality was not on par with a Sony a6700.
Okay, dive, dive, dive.
So now it's time for my favorite dive site, Tukong Timor. Advantage from the action camera. You don't need to change a lot of settings and it just still gets very, very nice. So with the Sony a6700, there is a lot of adjustment to make that shot.